All right. What's up, guys? Welcome to another trade recap. Today we have two trades to go over here, and I kind of just want to explain how I take these trades and what my basically routine is for when I get on the charts in the morning. So we ended up taking two trades today, one loss, one win, leaving us with $44 in profit. Not bad. I just made a one big mistake today, so we'll go over that right now. First thing I do is I start off on ES and I go to the 30-minute time frame, and then I mark out my um, Asia session to London session, and then London session to New York session right here. And then I mark out all of the highs and lows for those sessions on the 1 hour time frame. So we had this Asia high up here, and then we had London high right here, another London high right here, and then a London low down here, and another London low down here. So then looking at that, I stay on the 1 hour, and also I do this on for the same thing on the Nasdaq too. So I have NQ and NQ and ES on like both my screens. So that's what I do for that, and then I go on the 1 hour this morning, and I noticed that we already pre-market, we already filled in this 1 hour fair value gap right here. So that already gave me a bearish bias for the day, and we had a strong draw on liquidity down here. So we filled that, and then I scaled down to the 15-minute. And during pre-market, I noticed that there is a 15-minute fair value gap right here. And then market open, and then this 15-minute candle basically came all the way up here. And I am pretty sure on NQ, we look, yeah, so on NQ, we took out this London high right here. So, and we didn't take it on ES. So that gave me a very bearish bias for the day. So then, the candle closed bearish right here off of this 15-minute. But if we go into the 5 minutes, or here's where we can see where I went wrong. So 4 minutes into market open, we had a inverse 1 minute fair value gap right here, which I ended up taking. And this is my mistake because I traded 4 minutes into market open, which is not really a good thing to do because it's just still a manipulation period right here. So I ended up taking a loss right there, which is fine because my bias is still correct. So knowing that my bias is still valid and that's still what I wanted to trade, so I waited for basically another 1 minute inverse fair value gap just later on in the session. So I ended up getting in that about 12 minutes later, and I targeted these London session lows right here, and also on ES right here, these were equal lows. So equal lows usually mean that it's a stronger draw in liquidity too. So I targeted that. So we ended up hitting our equal lows right here. So then during the trade, I moved my stop loss to more of a break even type of position because I was already down on the day. So then session was going on, and then we ended up hitting full take profit right here, bringing me back into profit after losing the first trade. So basically just a simple mistake on this first trade, which caused me to not make as much as I wanted to today or should have made today. But looking at the week right here, we are up $193 and $193 on the month. So my weekly goal basically is 300 a week, give or take, would put me right at my $1,000 monthly goal for the month. So um, yeah, I think that's about it for this trade recap. Um, if you guys have any questions, leave a comment below, and also let me know if you guys like these type of recaps by leaving a like or a comment below. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.